Now I love sports, but you gotta play the game that's right for you. Same with computer and video games. That's why parents should make sure each game is right for their kids. How? Check the rating. Every game box has a rating symbol that suggests what age the game is best for, and a content label that tells you what's in the game. When you check the rating, you know what to expect. See, you gotta play the game that's right for you.
Video games are once again expected to top holiday wish lists this year. For parents, choosing the right video game for their child can sometimes be a difficult task. Just like movies, not all games are intended for kids. To help parents make those decisions, the Entertainment Software Rating Board offers a free mobile app that lets parents search for detailed video game rating information right from the store, when it's needed most. And the newest version of the app makes it even easier, letting you search for rating summaries by simply snapping a photo of the game box with any iPhone or Android phone.
Rating summaries are a new supplement to the ESRB rating system. They're brief, descriptive summaries of the content that factored into a rating assignment. So for those parents who want to go beyond the ratings, it's a great source of information.
Whether your child is 6 or 16, using these resources from ESRB can help you make the right purchase decision. The new app can be found by searching ESRB in either Apple's App Store or the Android market. For more information, visit esrb.org.
Ano movie mo?
Cinema 2, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Uy, ito na lang panoorin natin.
Excuse me, hindi kayo pwedeng manood dyan.
Ay, R18.
Oo, R18. 18 at pataas lamang maaaring manood nito.
Sayang naman.
Daddy, ito na lang. Tara. Napanood ko po trailer na mukhang pong maganda. Sige na po.
Miss, R16 po yung movie na yan. Ibig sabihin, 16 years old pataas lang ang pwedeng manood.
16 na po ako. Pwede na po ako dito. Sige na po.
Ma, kapag R13 po ba, pwede akong papasukin?
Sige, tanong natin.
Sa R13, pwede 13 years old, pataas.
Alam mo, Bunso, narinig ko, maganda daw itong pelikulang to.
Talaga po?
Oo. At saka pwedeng-pwede ka dyan kasi rated PG. Parental guidance. Basta kasama mo ko, pwedeng-pwede ka pumasok sa sinihan.
Daddy!
So, ano desisyon natin?
R16.
R13!
Ay, ikaw, ano gusto mong panoorin?
R18 sana.
Ma'am! Sir, yung gusto ko, ay, gusto pala ni Bunso. Rated PG daw po.
Alam ko na. Eh kung magkakahiwalay na lang kaya tayo ng sinihan.
No, hindi pwede. Pamilya tayo at sabay-sabay tayong manunood. Ayan, lagot ka. Ginalit mo na naman si Mommy.
Quiet! Kung hindi kayo magkakasundo sa gusto nyo, ako na lang ang mamimili. Eto ang papanoorin natin. Rated G, General Audience. Para sa lahat, pwede sa lahat! Para sa matalinong panonood ng Pamilya Luwan at Juana.
Mahalaga sa atin kung ano ang pinapanood nila. Rated G. No problem. Mga palabas yan na pwede sa lahat. Rated PG. Kailangan nakaabang ka para sagutin ang mga tanong nila. Rated SPG. May palabas kasi na may masiselang eksena.
Pwede mo pa bang panoorin yan, Mommy?
Ang tamang gabay ay nag-uumpisa sa bahay.
Para sa matalinong panonood.
Rated G. Mga palabas yan na pwede sa lahat. Rated PG. Kailangan nakaabang ka para sagutin ang mga tanong nila. Rated SPG. Dahil may mga programang masiselan.
Para sa matalinong panonood.